What's up? Hey guys. How you guys doing? I can't take off my hat on Marshmello. I can't. And
I think this is the third one we're working on. Very rare cars. I don't even think they're imported. They're on like a temporary thing. But yeah, this is the Pullman. This is based off of the S600. It's a V12 engine and it is extended. It has 4 seats in the back, tons of options. It's a right-hand drive, by the way, and that is incredibly difficult to drive in Los Angeles. Down here is the URUS kit. It's actually a full wide-body carbon fiber URUS kit for that URUS up there. That is a bone stock black Lamborghini URUS, getting a full carbon kit. Next to it is a custom Cullinan. We're also doing another wide body Cullinan build in the back we're starting on. We have a Porsche 992 Turbo S convertible that we're also gonna do a body kit. It's gonna be a good Christmas, guys, so keep watching. 2 videos a week.
Thank you.
yeah, he needed a motorcycle tire, and he thought I wasn't gonna get him one, but I did.
Kawasaki, carnal. Ready to own.
We are standing in front of this SVJ right here. This one was wrapped actually 3 times, and it does not have the SVJ on the quarter panel. Lamborghini actually sells the SVJ sticker. This is from Lamborghini. This is not aftermarket. It's on a 3M electro cut film. This sticker is about $500 each. So $1,000 in just stickers from Lamborghini. So we're gonna be taking this out, laying it right here. So it gets the black and red original SVJ. This is what this car came with, a sticker. So some of them have the sticker, some of them do not. Some of them you put it, you can clear coat it over. We're not, we're just putting the sticker. It's gonna be nice and clean. We put the factory wheels back on there. These are the original bronze colorway. Really, really cool wheels. And then this SVJ is gonna be for sale. Contact us if you want a really clean SVJ. Pretty much stock except for the Novatech scoops. We can make deals with wheels, suspensions, exhaust, whatever you want. If you're in the market for a beautiful white and black SVJ Roadster, contact us.
All right, this was another completion of a vehicle. On the way back to the customer's house.
I thought it was for sale.
SVJ. Even if it was for sale, can we afford it? It went back to stock. We put everything in stock. As you guys see, we just put the SVJ stickers on right now. That was the last detail of the car. Let's fire it up, baby. And the exhaust. The exhaust system for this car was much louder. Now it's back to stock, so that's why it's very quiet.
They fixed this side, this area.
Yes.
Right? They fixed the area, but it's still crack over here.
Where?
And you know how is the
do with that?
you know how is the customer.
Yeah, we can't do anything about that.
All right, back at it Monday. Congratulations to Canelo. Very boring fight, by the way, you guys. Very, very disappointed. This S-Class, we have 22-inch RDB wheels on here. We just got these installed right now. Also, we have lowering links on the car. This car already has a wrap previously, so you guys are familiar with this car. That's it. Very simple, basic wheels, tires, and lowering links on this one.
Look at this massive bumper. This is for a Cullinan wide body. This is the 1016 Industries Cullinan wide body kit, but this is their new upgraded front bumper. As you guys know, we've done several of these. Usually this part of it is open right here. We've extended it out now, so it's one piece, it's cleaner. It's only gonna have these grills now with the LED light here. So significant cleaner look in the front end. And I think we're gonna be doing a lot more of these because these kits are available in stock, okay, which is unheard of. If you're trying to order a Mansory Cullinan kit, it's gonna take you 2 to 3 months and you're spending maybe 4 times the price of this. So Cullinans, get ready. This kit's gonna be really nice. The rear end was already really nice. The sides were really nice. The front bumper was a little bit iffy for some. So with this updated look, it's gonna look significantly better. We're gonna be doing it on a white with blue interior Cullinan soon, so stay tuned.
Wait, what are you doing? Putting your stocks. So we do these a lot. You guys know after modifications and stuff, customers either want to get rid of the car, if they want to sell it, or even trade it in or take it back to the dealer. They have to put stock parts back on because the dealer won't allow it. So that's what we're doing right now. Javier's pretty fast actually today. He probably had a good weekend. That's it with this one, yeah. So we're putting everything back stock, and we'll finish this car at the end of the day today. I hope.
What are you?
Yeah. What happened with what? With what?
You're a better person than him, I think.
He's okay too. He's a good guy.
He's a good guy. He's a good guy. I like him.
Yeah, I don't know why you're not working with him. You do here.
Hey, we need him here, bro. Yeah.
That's right.
All right, guys, we have a beautiful Cadillac Escalade V right here. As you guys know, this is a very expensive Escalade, and it has the V motor. It's like a sports car, but it's in the form of Escalades. And it's highly in demand. You pay over sticker. This customer right away put wheels on it. He went somewhere where they had stock of wheels, and they were able to put on his car really quickly. However, it doesn't fit very well. The offsets are very, very weak. More than likely, these wheels were actually not made for the Escalade. So we're gonna have to, for now, for the time being, until he figures out what he's gonna do with them, we're gonna have custom adapters made. They're gonna be pretty big, probably about 2 inches. So they will go bolt to the hub, and then the wheel will bolt to the hub adapter. It's not your typical spacer with huge bolts. So it's safer. We're also gonna black out all the emblems. We're also gonna adjust the suspension. They lowered it a little too much. Obviously, we enjoy lowered cars, and usually the lower, the nicer. But that also sacrifices a lot of ride quality, and on some cars it looks funny, like this. So we're gonna be fixing that for him as well. It's like, what? Yeah, did it already print? If you did that, really, I'm gonna get you a Volvo. I don't know, he likes Volvo. Oh my god, he did something. Oh my god, I can't believe you did something. Yeah, I get you a Boba.
Oh, Boba! What did you think?
I'm gonna act like the real Marshmello. I'm not gonna laugh. I'm gonna take it seriously.
How are you gonna take it seriously?
Very easy. I'm gonna invite them to the win on Saturday. I'll do all kinds of stuff. You feeling any weird with this one?
One tire. Slow.
You look good in this car.
Yeah, huh?
You look like you can be a driver and take people to Las Vegas, Nevada. Yeah. Imagine going to Vegas with Santos. It'd be a pretty good experience. And then that guy over there, look at him. Look at this guy hiding in the back.
That's so funny. Alright, take it off.
The seat doesn't move.
Who the f is that guy?
No, he has to stick his head out the window.
Oh, you could stick your head out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
How do you feel about Sarkis like destroying the side of the van Friday?
What?
Sarkis crashed the van.
Oh,
What do you mean?
you crashed the van.
I didn't crash the van. Stop making.
He drove right into the
He's,
hole.
he told
What?
Joe. He told Joe not to say it. He said,
What?
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.